With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question over here is, the epithelial cells lining the stomach of vertebrates are protected from the damage by hydrochloric acid HCl because option A, HCl is too dilute. Option B, the epithelial cells are resistant to the action of HCl. Option C, HCl is neutralized in the stomach. Option D, the epithelial cells are covered by a mucus secretion. So here the question is, how do the epithelial cells present in the inner lining of the stomach remain unaffected or protected by the action of HCl? Alright, so let us start the solution. In the stomach, if you know, in the stomach there are gastric glands present. In the stomach there are gastric glands present, and these gastric glands have three types of cells. They have the peptic cells which secrete the pepsinogen. If we write over here gastric glands, the gastric glands are made up of three types of cells. The peptic cells which secrete pepsinogen, the oxyntic cells that secrete hydrochloric acid HCl, which creates an acidic medium in the stomach, and the mucus secreting cells, which secrete mucus. Now, for the digestion to happen efficiently and also for killing any kind of bacteria present in the food, it is important to have acidic medium in the stomach. So this acidic medium is created by the hydrochloric acid, which is secreted by the oxyntic cells. This hydrochloric acid creates an acidic environment in the stomach, because of which if there is any kind of pathogen present in the food, it gets killed due to acidity. Plus, it also helps in activating the inactive pepsinogen into active pepsin so that the protein digestion should start. Alright, now when this HCl is secreted by the gastric gland cells in the stomach, it may also harm the cells present in the inner lining of the stomach. The epithelial cells which are present in the inner lining of the stomach, they may also get harmed because of the presence of that hydrochloric acid. So how do they remain protected from the action of hydrochloric acid? How do the epithelial cells present in the inner lining of stomach remain protected? They are protected by the mucus which is secreted by the mucus cells. What happens is, the mucus cells present in the gastric glands, they secrete mucus, and that mucus forms a covering. It forms a covering over these epithelial cells. So because they are covered with the mucus, the HCl is not able to affect them. Because these epithelial cells present in the inner lining of the stomach, they are covered with mucus. That's why the HCl which is secreted in the stomach, it is not able to reach and affect the cells present in the inner lining of the, stomach. So that's why the HCl doesn't harm the epithelial cells present in the inner lining. So they remain protected because they are covered with the mucus secreted by the mucus cells. Alright, so the correct answer over here would be option D. The epithelial cells are covered by a mucus secretion. That's why they remain protected from the action of HCl. Alright, so let us write it over here. The mucus cells of the gastric glands secrete mucus which forms a covering over the epithelial cells present in the inner lining of stomach, thereby protecting them from the action of hydrochloric acid, HCl. Alright, so the epithelial cells present in the inner lining of stomach are protected due to the presence of mucus secretion over them, because they are all covered by the mucus secretion. That's why they remain protected from the action of HCl. Hence the correct answer is option D. Hence the correct answer is option D. Option D. The epithelial cells are covered by the mucus secretion. Alright, I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.